If you like deals, gentlemen, it doesn't get any sweeter than this one. What I have in this box is $110 worth of products that you are going to get for literally $55. We're calling it the Overstock box. So here's what you're going to get. Hands, hold that for a second. You are going to get a dry shampoo. This stuff is amazing. Spritz it in, right? Dirty hair, it makes it clean. It's incredible. If you haven't tried it, you need to. You're also going to get one of my favorite things, which is a little super sexy mirror, right? Just like that, right? It's perfect for shaving, for manscaping, for doing all of your grooming needs. You also are going to get a wood exfoliating scrubber. This bad boy, literally got to be careful. It could remove a nipple, but it's amazing for scrubbing your body, getting those ingrown hairs to not be ingrown. You're getting that. You're also going to get, boom, an amazingly sexy paddle brush. This thing, it's soft grip. It's incredible. Every dude needs this in his grooming arsenal. You also are going to get, boom, hand sanitizer. Why? Because I know where those hands have been and you need it. And the last, but certainly not least, is a full-sized hero, gentlemen. This bad boy is fresh, it is clean, it is sexy, and all of this is yours for $55. It's literally 50% off. Normal price of this bad boy, $110. Now is the time. It's not going to last. Grab it today. Do not wait.